Good morning. I hope you all are doing great. শুভ নববর্ষ to you all. তো আমি আজকে এমনিও রেডি হতামই, তাই ভাবলাম একটা grwm ভিডিও বানিয়ে ফেলি, কি বলো? So I'm gonna do a get ready with me video on this occasion. Don't worry, I'm not only gonna do my makeup but also gonna show you the products I use. So let's get started. I hope you all enjoyed the first day of the new year. Wishing the best for you all. So if you like this video and want to appreciate or encourage my work, then please leave a like under the video and share among your contacts so that it reaches out to more people. If you're watching the video for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I share my content here. And those who are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Stay connected. By the way, I want to reach 200 subscribers soon, so please help me out. See you guys in my next video. Until then, annyeong.